So summer is coming, and today I have a really nice keyboard for you in this summer. This is the Lofree 1%. And I think you already see the transparent one out there somewhere. But this color is definitely really nice than the transparent, in my opinion. To be the 1%. Are you ready for this? This is really nice color in person. Let's see what else we have in the box. We got a menu, some warranty cards. And also I got a lucky draw here. It says scratch here. Maybe I can win something. I don't know. Let's save this to the last. So accessories. So only the USB cable, nothing else. And if you don't like this black cable, you can order the nice cable, which is orange color. But this is just for the charging, so nothing really bothers me. Let's bring up this little guy right here. I really like it, man. Look at the design. It's the transparent plastic wrapped, and inside there's some kind of material that look like a mirror. It just looks so cool, man. This thing is definitely attractive. You're gonna pop up in summer for sure. You probably can tell why I call this is the best keyboard in the summer, because it looks like a Fanta. That's my favorite drink. This keyboard has 68 keys and all the keycaps can be changed. But I think this is the best design. You don't want to change it. So the keycaps does look really clear, and the material is pretty tough, and it's very smooth. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So as you can see, the connector to the switches is on the bottom side of the keycap. So this thing is like a little square, and inside the keycaps is empty. It's pretty nice design. The keys are actually not hot swappable. It's built in, I cannot remove it. So only the keycaps can be swappable, not the switches. And the switches for this keyboard is called the jellyfish, which looks just like it. I mean, the keycaps looks like a jellyfish to me. See, on the keyboard, it has a lot of different design. It looks very cute and fresh. Looks pretty cool. This is a shell, I guess. That's a shower head. It says breeze. There's a little fan right there. You got an ice cream, I think. You got this little splash. It says summer boom. I think that's some kind of juice right there. Sunrise, summer. You got the orange shot by an arrow. And for this space bar, the letter is actually not on the space bar. It's in the space bar. So it gave you this 3-dimension look, which looks really cool. On back of the keyboard, we have the USB Type-C charger. On the left side, there's nothing. On the right side, it says the 1%, no substitute. On the bottom of the keyboard, it looks really nice, like a mirror, but it's really easy to get finger point and oil and all that. We have 2 adjusted leveler, so you can have different height for the keyboard. And here's the rubber fitty, non-sublibrary. And this keyboard doesn't have a 2.4 gig, it's just the Bluetooth on and off. And it can be also connected to Windows and Mac. So, let's see, let's turn it on. All right, so now it's on, and there's a different lining. So it's just white color. There's no RGB. If you like RGB, then this is definitely not for you. But if you want something really cool, a white lining background seems pretty good on this side. Cause sometimes you do get tired of RGB, right? You don't want everything is RGB, and you want different feeling or different setup for your whole room. You can use something like these. It looks pretty nice. Let me give you a sound test of how this keyboard sounds like. It sounds a little louder than I expected, but it's just a different sound. This is another keyboard that I got from WordGeek, and this is called the Cool Killer 98. So this is what it sounds like. And this is how the 1% sounds like. I'm gonna have all the links for both keyboard, and the battery life for this keyboard, if you use couple hours a day, like 4 to 6 or 8 hours, you can use probably in up to 60 days. And it's charging pretty fast. You can charge it fully in 3 hours. And this guy weighs 1 pound and 12 ounces. So it's very easy for you to carry around. And for this Lofree 1%, it does have different colors on the website. But I think for the summer, this one is definitely the best color. If you like this keyboard, I will have the link in the description box below with the coupon code that you can get up to 10% discount. And also leave your comment below what other keyboards or mouse or anything that you want to see in the future videos. I may review any product based on your comments. And until then, thank you for watching. And as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out. Oh, I forgot this one. The lucky draw. 威力, yeah. That means nothing. But I got this keyboard. Let's bring it to work.